Hello dear friends, welcome to our Quakes YouTube channel. We are forming about earthquake updates occurred information in South Atlantic Ocean. According to the German Search Geological Services reported, the center was recorded shallow the strong magnitude 5.1 earthquake. South Atlantic Ocean, South Georgia and South Sandwich Island on Monday. 28 March 2022 occurred at 5 hours 19 minutes AM local time, and its depth was recorded at 35 km. Like, share, subscribe and press bell to our channel for more information. Thank you.